And media can broadly be classified into 4 categories: the print media, the audio media, the video media, and the IT information technology. The print media can further be divided into 2 categories: the periodical and the non-periodical. The non-periodical media are the pamphlets, leaflets, booklets, books. And the periodical media are the newsletters, newspapers, magazines that are printed either daily, weekly, fortnightly, monthly, quarterly, biannually, or annually. The second is the audio media. And previously, audio media would be stored on audio cassettes, which is obsolete now. Audio media now can be stored on audio compact disc. And it can be used on an individual level, on a group level, on a public level. On an individual level, it can be used on a desktop, on a laptop, with audio equipment fitted in the object. It can be used while running, while walking, while jogging, on a Discman, on a Walkman. On a group level, it can be used in social gatherings, in family gatherings, in weddings, on different occasions. And on a public level, it can be used on radio broadcast stations. The third is the video media. Previously, video media could be stored on video cassettes, which is obsolete now. Video media now can be stored on DVD, that is the digital video disc. We have the Edge DVD, that is the high definition DVD. Now the latest is the Blu-ray. So the media keeps on advancing. What was best earlier, today has become obsolete. The media keeps on advancing. And on a professional level, the DV cam is outdated, the digital beta cam is outdated. Now we have the high definition, the 420, the 422, and the 444. And previously, when we used to travel in a plane, all the passengers were shown only one movie. But now, each and every passenger can browse through various channels and choose what he wants to see. So in the video media, we have the cable TV, the satellite television channel. And it is cheaper now as compared to earlier. The fourth is the IT information technology. And this incorporates all the other media. The computer, the internet can be used through websites, through blogs, through Facebook, through Twitter, through WhatsApp. All of these can be used. The video can be watched on the internet, movies can be watched on the internet, audio can be heard on the internet. And nowadays, even the print media, the newspapers can be read on the internet. So the IT information technology, it is advancing very fast and is overtaking all the other media.